This was amazing today on the 10th of August 2024. We have Čiobiškio gatvė 9. Which staircases was this? 1 to
36. Yeah.
1 to 36. It's also here in Šeškinė, one of the births of Vilnius in Lithuania. And this is also built in 1980 original.
Nah, the buttons inside. But yeah.
One right.
Yeah.
But maybe upstairs, original bubble.
Yeah. But then the interior also.
In the late 1990s.
Yeah. Serial number is left 0103918.
Yeah, that's the sport bus 20 grams. The machine is. I think the machine is.
Yeah.
Yeah, original one.
Yeah.
I have a smell here. Aggressive doors. Yes.
That's